Welcome to Reed's Garage. Today we are working on the CRX again. Today we're installing adjustable upper ball joints. Skunk 2 Racing bought it. Now we're going to install it. First step is take off your tire, which I already did. I need to remove this right here, which I'm gonna kind of do with my thumb a little bit. See, the old bushing's bad, so I needed a new one. So, here's my new one. $15mm ratchet wrench. Not bad. It's just, yeah, a little place. Just a boot went bad in it, so decided. I don't want no move. Yeah, it's bad. This other one's got nice stuff. Skunk 2 again, like I said, real stuff, not fake. Paid good money for just one. Did not come with two. Of what I got today done for the CRX. Got the new Skunk 2 upper ball joint, adjustable ball joints in. Glad I really got it done. Really, I didn't have much in the garage to do this weekend anyway. Only thing came in the mail quick. Just ordered it, I think, last Friday. So, waiting on more parts. CRX is coming very, very close to getting done. I ain't going to show you the whole car yet, or it not being done, because I'm going to do a whole stance video and all that when it's finally done. Well, Thanks for checking in. This is Reed's Garage. I'm Ricky. And please like, comment, and subscribe. You will like my videos. Bye.